Alright, we're in this floor drain. I removed the clean out plug. Now this is a pretty rusted out looking piece of cast iron here, and you can see there's a lot of restriction here. I'm going to turn on the water, get an idea on this drainage. But I can't even get my camera very far down this pipe. It's a little less than a 2-inch camera head. So this pipe is normally 3-inch, and look at, you can see how quickly it's filling up with water just from running the sink. A little bit more than a trickle, but it's not on full blast. So there's some pretty heavy rust and obstruction down in this line here. See that there? It's almost 100% blocked from the water. Shut the water off. So whenever I see this, people sometimes, they don't realize the floor drain goes underneath the foundation, under the slab of the house, and then connects into the main line further out. So the main line is one thing, and that goes from the house out to the street, but this is sometimes called a branch line, and this goes from the laundry room and out to the main line. So you can see right here, this is the floor drain here, where we went at it from. Clean this off a little bit, foggy. And then further on down underneath, there's a main line over here that it would tie into, and then that goes all the way out to the front of the house into the bedroom where there was a cap with a plug. So this floor drain chunk from this branch line has got some heavy rust and obstruction, and that's causing backup from the laundry. When you're running the laundry tub, it drains through this pipe and goes over to here and down into this line. So this needs to be descaled big time. Okay, this cast iron here, you see how gnarly this is here and rusted out. So normally I can just keep pushing through here, no problem, but it gets smaller and smaller. And then this is where the turn is, where it connects. So I'm only out maybe about, camera says 3 inches. We'll zero it out here and pull it back, but it's not far, and it starts to get restricted so much. So we're in the negative here because we're going back, but there's 1.5 inches. So 2 inches is all I'm able to go down here. We'll zero it out again. So a lot of times people are thinking tree roots when they're thinking about obstructions and stuff, and that's true when you get further out. But on the inside of the house foundation, there's cast iron, and it rusts out, and especially in laundry rooms, you get the soap and lint that coats the inside of the pipe and causes a little bit of accelerated deterioration. So you have to turn down the water again, and speeds up the natural rusting of the cast iron. So this is just at a trickle, and it's already filling up. I'll turn it up a little bit more so you kind of see. So you can imagine when the clothes washer is discharging high volume of water, this doesn't take long at all to fill up this pipe and cause it to back up and bubble up from the floor drain here. So in regards to all this, I would recommend this line is descaled from the floor drain to the point out where it connects to the main line. So from this floor drain branch line over to the main needs to be descaled to allow proper drainage, because everything's draining fine from the main stack out to the street. It's this point here when you do laundry, which is going to be affecting your daily life, right? You want to do laundry and not have that floor drain back up. So this is how much we're running the sink here. It's a little trickle, a little bit more than a trickle. So yeah, that's this off here. So that's what I got. I'll be in touch.